Welcome, my friend. Have you ever felt like you're pushing against life? Struggling, striving, yet still stuck. What if I told you there's a way to manifest your deepest desires without force, by simply relaxing into the certainty that everything is already yours? Today, we'll explore Neville Goddard's revolutionary teachings to unveil why "relax, everything will come to you" isn't just a comforting phrase, it's the secret to effortless manifestation. Stick with me, because by the end of this journey, you'll discover how to replace anxiety with unwavering trust, turn imagination into reality, and unlock a life where dreams flow to you. This isn't mystical theory, it's a science of the mind you can apply today. Ready to transform? Let's dive in. Imagine standing by a river, trying to grasp the water with your fists. The harder you clench, the faster it slips through your fingers. Now picture opening your palms, letting the current gently flow into your hands. That river is life, and Neville Goddard taught that your desires are like that water. When you relax, you become a vessel for abundance. Neville's core philosophy reveals a profound truth: your outer world is a mirror of your inner state. If you're straining, doubting, or chasing, you broadcast a signal of lack, and the universe reflects it back. But when you cultivate inner stillness, assuming the feeling of your wish fulfilled, you align with the creative power of your subconscious mind. This isn't passive waiting, it's active trust. For instance, consider Sarah, who desperately wanted a promotion. She'd lie awake at night rehearsing interviews, refreshing her inbox hourly, radiating anxiety. Nothing shifted. Then she discovered Neville. Instead of begging the universe, she began living as the promoted version of herself, feeling the pride of her new title, envisioning colleagues congratulating her, even arranging her desk for the role. She released the "how" and relaxed into certainty. Within weeks, her boss approached her with an unexpected opportunity. Why? By embodying the end result, Sarah stopped repelling her desire with tension and allowed it to crystallize. Neville called this "living in the end." It's the art of dwelling so completely in the feeling of fulfillment that doubt cannot enter. Your mind, in its relaxed state, becomes fertile soil where seeds of imagination take root. Think of a farmer who plants a seed. Does he dig it up daily to check progress? No. He trusts nature's intelligence, waters the field, and rests. Similarly, when you plant a desire in your subconscious through focused feeling and sensory-rich visualization, then surrender the timeline, you activate divine intelligence. Every great inventor, artist, or visionary understood this. Einstein daydreamed about riding light beams, Mozart heard symphonies in his mind before writing a note. They didn't wrestle reality into submission, they let inspiration flow through them in moments of quiet receptivity. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. But how do I relax when bills are due or my dream seems impossible? Start small. Neville advised mental diets. Catch fearful thoughts like, "I'll never find love," and replace them with felt truths, "I am adored right now." Feel the warmth of an imaginary partner's hand in yours. Breathe into that certainty until your body believes it. This isn't denial, it's reprogramming your default state from lack to abundance. Another practical anchor. The "I remember when" technique. Suppose you crave financial freedom. Instead of aching for it, reminisce as if it's already happened. "I remember when I stressed about money. Now, my savings grow effortlessly." This flips your brain from yearning to gratitude, the most magnetic state. And here's the scientific icing: neuroscientists confirm that relaxed minds enter alpha brainwave states, where subconscious reprogramming peaks. Stress floods your system with cortisol, hijacking focus and creativity. Calm, however, unlocks neuroplasticity, rewiring your brain to attract opportunities you'd otherwise miss. So tonight, before sleep, when your subconscious is most porous, visualize your desire with vivid detail. Feel the joy of possession. Then, release it like a paper boat into a stream. Trust the current. Tomorrow, act from your new identity. If you've imagined being confident, speak up in meetings. If you see yourself healthy, choose the salad without struggle. Action follows being, effort stems from alignment. Remember, resistance is the only barrier. A student of Neville's longed to move abroad but obsessed over visas and costs. The day he shifted to picturing himself sipping coffee in a Parisian café, feeling cobblestones underfoot, his anxiety dissolved. Guess what? A distant relative suddenly offered him a rent-free apartment there. Coincidence? No. Synchronicity favors the surrendered heart. You're not meant to orchestrate every step. You're meant to claim your desire, embody its essence, and let universal intelligence handle the logistics. So breathe. Your dreams aren't fleeing, they're racing toward the version of you who knows they're already yours. Neville said it best, assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled, and watch the world rearrange itself. Now, go live in that truth. Before you go, I challenge you, for the next 48 hours, wear your desired reality like an invisible crown. Feel its weight, its brilliance. Then notice what shifts. Share your story, I'll respond. Why? Because miracles unfold when we choose faith over force. This is just the beginning, stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dissolve the hidden blocks keeping you from your power. Until then, relax. It's coming.